Hello and welcome to KidsAlive Church. This is Buddy the Zebra and we are continuing our series on Fruit of the Spirit. So today the lesson is going to be on faithfulness. We did love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, and now we're doing faithfulness. So it's so important to have faithfulness. What is faithfulness? Faithfulness is actually it comes from the root word to have faith. To have faith means to believe in someone. Like we are Christians, so we have faith in Jesus Christ. Now, to have faithfulness or to be faithful is to actually cling on to that person or continue to be loyal to that person or to someone that we believe in. Okay? So there's a very special story in the Bible which is about this person named Job. Do you know about Job? Yeah, a little bit. So Job was a man who loved God so much and he was so faithful to God that even when everything was taken away from him, Satan came and he took away everything. His children died, his household was torn apart, his cattle died, everything was taken away from him. He even had boils on his body, which is like blub, 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 stuff on his body, but he still did not curse God. His wife told him, curse God and die. His friends told him, curse God and die. But he remained faithful. And because of that faithfulness, because he continued to cry out to God and say, God, I love you. I don't understand what's happening right now, but I love you. Because of that, God blessed him. God blessed him. God gave him back extra, more than what he had before. Isn't that crazy? Isn't that amazing? This is the God that you and I love, children. This is the God that loves you, that loves me, that loves you. This is that God. Now let's look at this balloon. Okay, this balloon is going to represent Job's life or our life. And we know that when we have the fruit of the Spirit in us, it's full of colors. The fruit of the Spirit, love, joy, peace. Now, we're talking today about having faith, being faithful to our God. When we continue to have faith in God, when you continue to be loyal to Him, continue to love Him, continue to trust in Him, when bad things come to you and burst your balloon, burst your life, just like Job, good things are going to come out from you. Colorful things, love, joy, peace, patience, all this goodness, this faithfulness will come out of your life. But if we say we don't want to love God, we don't want to do what He told us to do, look at this balloon now. This balloon has stuff in it that we don't want. Bad things will come out from your life. Bad things such as disobedience, lying, stealing, unforgiveness, bitterness, hatred, all these horrible things will come out from you. So children, I want to ask you this morning, what is going to come out from our life? When something happens, when we are pushed to the brim, just like Job was, what is going to come out of us? This is an important lesson because you need to know what's going to come out of me if I am tested today. If I am pushed to my brim, to the end of my rope, what's going to come out of me? Job did not know that God was going to bless him. He didn't know that. But in all circumstances, he still prayed, he still worshiped God, he still loved God. Children, when we have the fruit of the Spirit, just like Job did, good things are going to come out of us. I encourage you this morning to have that fruit of the Spirit. The memory verse for today is this: give thanks in all circumstances, for this is the will of God in Christ Jesus for you. Again, give thanks in all circumstances, for this is the will of God in Christ Jesus for you. 1 Thessalonians 5 verse 18. I love you guys. I hope you are blessed. We will see you next time again. Bye-bye.